Hi, Cyber Sisters and Mister.
You want to watch me go from basic to Soleil on my natural virgin 4C hair? Then stay with me.
I decided to replace the flat twist with 4 double strand twists. Then I used bobby pins to tuck the ends of the double strand twist into the base of the flat twist. Hair is not completely dry. That's all the frizz at the top. But gotta get out of here. Dry, not dry, half dry, whatever. I've got to go. Put a little moisturizer on here. So anyway, this is it for this hairstyle. Hope you like it. Simple everyday hairstyle, which was requested. So I hope that you enjoy. Simple, simple, cute. I can wear it to work, classic. I can dress it up. Just a simple everyday hairstyle for that short awkward stage. And yeah, we're just gonna look over those little curly cues that I missed smoothing up in the back.
After putting your spin on this style, tag me on Instagram, Sunkissed_knit.
That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Click the links for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed Says.